10 tips for designing a minimalist minibar kitchen. The concept of a minimalist minibar kitchen has gained immense popularity in recent years. With the increasing trend of compact living spaces and the desire for sleek and functional designs, a minimalist minibar kitchen offers the perfect solution. In this article, we will explore 10 essential tips for designing a stylish and efficient minimalist minibar kitchen. 1. Optimize space. In a small kitchen, every inch counts. Maximize the available space by using vertical storage solutions such as wall-mounted shelves or cabinets. Consider utilizing the area above the countertop for open shelving or hanging racks to keep frequently used items within reach. 2. Streamlined layout. Keep the layout simple and efficient. The three main work areas, namely the sink, stove, and refrigerator, should form a triangle to facilitate smooth movement between them. Minimize the distance between these elements to ensure a functional and convenient workspace. 3. Minimalistic color palette. Choose a neutral color palette to create a clean and spacious look. Light colors like white, beige, or soft pastels can make the kitchen feel brighter and more open. Consider adding small pops of color through accessories or plants to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. 4. Clean and seamless surfaces. Invest in high-quality materials with seamless finishes for countertops, backsplashes, and cabinetry. Opt for materials like quartz or solid surface for a sleek and easy-to-clean surface. Avoid intricate patterns or excessive details, as they can make the space appear cluttered. 5. Efficient storage solutions. Make the most of your storage by incorporating innovative solutions. Use pull-out drawers and organizers within cabinets to maximize storage capacity. Install hooks or magnetic strips on the walls to hang utensils or other frequently used items. Utilize the space under the sink for additional storage. 6. Compact appliances. Choose compact and energy-efficient appliances that fit seamlessly into the kitchen's design. Look for slimline refrigerators, small dishwashers, or built-in ovens that save space while still providing all the necessary functions. Consider integrating appliances behind cabinet panels for a seamless look. 7. Multifunctional furniture. Maximize the functionality of your kitchen by selecting multi-purpose furniture. For example, a kitchen island with built-in storage or a pull-out dining table that can serve as an extra prep area. Foldable or stackable chairs can be easily stored when not in use, saving valuable space. 8. Adequate lighting. Good lighting is essential in any kitchen design. Maximize natural light by opting for large windows or skylights. Install layered lighting with a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. LED strips under cabinets or shelves can add a touch of elegance while providing functional illumination. 9. Minimalist decor. Keep the decor simple and uncluttered. Select a few carefully chosen accessories or artworks that complement the minimalist aesthetic. Use plants or fresh herbs to bring life and vibrancy to the space. Avoid excessive decorations that can make the kitchen feel cramped. 10. Smart organization. Maintain a clutter-free environment by implementing smart organization systems. Label containers and jars to keep ingredients neatly stored. Use drawer dividers for utensils and cutlery. Keep the countertop free from unnecessary items to create a sense of calm and order. Conclusion. Designing a minimalist minibar kitchen requires thoughtful planning and attention to detail. By optimizing space, selecting streamlined designs, and incorporating efficient storage solutions, you can create a stylish and functional kitchen that enhances your living experience. Remember to focus on simplicity, cleanliness, and smart organization to achieve the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality in your minimalist minibar kitchen. Additional 3 tips for maintaining a tidy kitchen. 1. Daily cleaning routine. Establish a daily cleaning routine to keep your kitchen tidy. Take a few minutes each day to wipe down countertops, clean spills, and wash dishes promptly. Clear the sink of dirty dishes and put them away or load them into the dishwasher. By incorporating these small tasks into your daily routine, you can prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a clean and organized kitchen. 2. Clear countertops. One of the key elements in maintaining a tidy kitchen is to keep the countertops clear of unnecessary items. Cluttered countertops can make the kitchen appear messy and make it challenging to prepare meals. Find designated storage spaces for appliances, utensils, and other frequently used items to keep them off the countertops. Only leave out essential items that are regularly used to maintain a clean and uncluttered workspace. 3. Efficient storage solutions. Invest in efficient storage solutions to keep your kitchen organized. Utilize drawer dividers, stackable containers, and labeled bins to sort and store kitchen utensils, food items, and pantry staples. Consider utilizing vertical space by installing shelves or hanging racks to maximize storage capacity. By having designated storage spaces for each item, it becomes easier to maintain a tidy kitchen as everything has its place.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.